Dialogue between the headmaster and a student who was absent from school. Stand up, Mike, and tell me why you were absent from school yesterday. I was ill, sir. Why did you not send an application for leave? Sir, there was nobody at home who could bring it here. Did you not take any medicine? No, sir, I did not, because there was nobody at home to take me to the doctor. Then how did you get well without taking any medicine? My headache stopped after some time and I began to feel better. What was your headache due to? I didn't do my homework, sir, and the fear of punishment caused me severe headache. Why did you not do your homework? Sir, I went to the pictures with a friend of mine. You could go to the pictures, but you could not come to school. Do you think that a cinema shows is more important than your lessons? No, sir, I went there only to have a good time. How often do you go to the pictures? I'm not a cinema fan. I go there only once or twice in a month. Promise that you will, in future, go to the picture only after you have done your homework. I promise, sir, to prefer my studies to the pictures at all the times, and I hope that you will forgive me this time for not doing my homework. All right, I forgive you this time, but never forget to do your homework in future. Thank you, sir, I will not.